Hello, and welcome to my channel Easy Aviation. Here, we will discuss and learn about some basic aviation concepts, terminologies, in a very easy way. If you have any question or any query, then do write in comment box. I will come up with easy solution at earliest. Now to start with our today's topic, which I have selected it for you, is RNP. So what is an RNP? What do we mean about this commonly used terminology? We might have heard it so many times, but today I will try to summarize it for you, so that you have general understanding about this concept. So let's start with some introduction. The continuing growth of aviation places increasing demands on airspace capacity, resultantly emphasizes the need for the best use of the available airspace. These factors, along with the accuracy of modern aviation navigation systems, and the requirement for increased operational efficiency, in terms of direct routings and track-keeping accuracy, have resulted in a new concept, which we are going to discuss in today's topic, that is required navigation performance, that allows an aircraft to fly a specific path. Let's talk about its working principle. Required navigation performance is a navigation method that uses the aircraft's flight management system and satellite positioning to fly a precise path in the sky. RNP makes it easier to design safe, efficient, predictable routes. The aircraft is expected to remain within this block of airspace for at least 95% of the flight time. RNP levels are actual distances from the center line of the flight path, which must be maintained for aircraft and obstacle separation. RNP includes both performance and functional requirements, and is indicated by the RNP value. So what is an RNP value? The RNP value designates the littoral performance requirement associated with a procedure. For example, RN page 0.3 represents a distance of 0.3 nautical mile either side of a specified flight path center line. How it can be obtained? The required performance is obtained through a combination of aircraft capability and the level of service provided by the corresponding navigation infrastructure. In this context, aircraft capability refers to the airworthiness certification and operational approval elements, which includes avionics, maintenance, database, human factors, pilot procedure, training, and other issues. The level of service element includes published routes, signals in space, performance and availability, and air traffic management. When considered collectively, these elements result in providing access. Access provides the desired benefit, which includes airspace, procedures, routes of flight. So is there any difference between RNAV and RNP? Area navigation RNAV and RNP systems are fundamentally similar. The key difference between them is the requirement for onboard performance monitoring and alerting. These functional and performance standards allow the flight paths of participating aircraft to the declared levels of accuracy. Therefore, if ADC radar monitoring is not provided, safe navigation in respect to terrain shall be self-monitored by the pilot, and RNP shall be used instead of RNA. Improved accuracy of onboard RNP systems represent a significant advantage to traditional non-radar environments. The lower the RNP value, the lower the required distance separation standards, and in general, the more aircraft can fit into a volume of airspace without losing required separation. Let's talk about some advantages of RNP. It reduces the need for aircraft to navigate between ground-based navigational aids. It reduces track miles for arriving flights. It reduces flight time and fuel burn. The predictable flight path and pre-programmed flight management system also reduces radio frequency congestion, requiring less interactions between the pilot and controller while maintaining safety. It can assist in designing flight paths in places where there are obstacles, that is mountains, showers or restrictions. It also helps in more precise navigation around obstacles. It can assist in better avoidance of populated areas. In some instances, though it is often not possible to entirely avoid populated areas. The cleaner aircraft profile, which means less increases or decreases in throttle, reduced flap use compared to other approaches. So guys, this is a brief and general concept of RNP. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe my channel, so that you get my latest videos on different aviation topics at earliest. Bye for now. Take care of yourselves. Always remember that sharing your knowledge with others does not make you less important.